according to me, can be a catalyst for a number of issues which are affecting our nation today. Number one being inflation. Inflation is something which affects the consumer, and it's the number one priority of the government to bring down this inflation. A very large cause of inflation is food wastage. The only studies that are available show that there is almost amount of 6 to 18% of food wastage, which was a study done by CIFET in 2009-10. And this is almost with a huge amount of 44,000 crores is the amount of money which is lost in this wastage. Now, most of this wastage takes place from the harvest level to the transportation level. So this wastage is what is one of the prime reasons also of inflation, because if this wasted food was saved instead of being wastage, of course prices would, inflation would come down. So one of the priority sectors of my ministry is to somehow work towards reducing this food wastage, because I believe with the way that the population is growing, the economy is growing, produce more food because lands are shrinking. So with the growing population, we have to, and the shrinking lands, you need to produce more from less to feed more people. So there is no scope for food wastage. That really has to be a prime thrust. And I think that is one of the reasons why this government has made food processing and separated it from agriculture altogether, because of this focus that we have on, number one, bringing down inflation by reducing wastage. And number two, I also think that this ministry has a huge potential of acting as a catalyst to uplift farmers, because we often find that when the farmer's produce is harvested, there is such a glut. And often we also read that how the farmers have not even forget about getting the value. Sometimes they can't even afford the transportation of taking it to the nearest mandi, because the prices that they are getting at the mandi does not meet the prices that it has taken them to grow those perishables. So I feel that when there is a glut, if that excess could at that time be stored scientifically, either by the farmer, which would fetch him a better rate when he decides to sell it after the glut is over, or if at that time the processing industry will pick it up and process it, because the aim being that if the prices of essential perishables, fruits and vegetables start going up, the consumer should not worry that how am I going to manage my kitchen budget. He should have the same onion paste or tomato paste or any other fruit vegetable available to the Aam Aadmi at an Aam Aadmi's price. It should be an Aam Aadmi's processed food product, not a Khas Aadmi's, because usually it's more expensive. So I feel that as the processing industry develops, it's going to uplift the farmer by providing better opportunities, because the processing industry will then invest also in better technologies and seeds for the farmer, so that he gets a better produce, and assured his processing industry also gets assured and better crop. So I feel that it's like a catalyst. It's a two-way thing which can intertwine and actually work for both, for farmers as well as for the processing industry. There are quite a few challenges. Number one being infrastructure, especially the cold chain, which has to be developed. My ministry is working towards that as well. I think maybe it would be a better idea if we were to have the presentation, because you would get to know all the schemes of the ministry and what we are doing. And briefly, I've just given you a background of what my vision for my ministry really is, so that the processing, which in our country has huge amount of challenges. At the moment, we are just especially looking at perishables, because we process only about 2% of our fruits and vegetables. So that goes to show the huge potential, and that's where a lot of the wastage takes place also. So that's going to be one of my thrust areas. In processing, we have done comparatively better in milk, which is almost 36%. Marine is almost 26%. Poultry is also 6%, but fruits and vegetables are at a low of 2%, and that is what we need to encourage. So where there's huge potential, there are huge challenges also, and those are the ones that we plan and we hope to meet in the coming times and reduce the wastage by processing more. So I believe that for the country to progress, processing is really important, because that's what's going to ensure the food for the people. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Now I request the secretary to give his present point. PowerPoint presentation.
Thank you. Thank you, Honorable Minister. Thank you, Mr. Noronha. I will make a very brief presentation, about 5-6 minutes, because most of you are already.
आपकी पसंद ने बनाया अनुदामिनी को सबसे ज्यादा लोकप्रिय। आप सभी की जबरदस्त फरमाइश पर अब देखिए आपका पसंदीदा सीरियल जीटी प्राइम टाइम पर। देखिए अनुदामिनी सोमवार से शुक्रवार रात 8 बजे सिर्फ टीवी नेशनल पर।